Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make 3D text in Photoshop. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply select your text over here on the layer, and now just tap on your keyboard Control and J, and now from here just simply click on this folder over here down below, and now from here just go ahead and make the text copy go to the folder, and from here make sure the folder is below the text. And from here, just right click on the folder and go for blending options. And now go to color overlay, guys. And from here, make sure it is 100% and make sure the color is black. Click on OK and click on OK. And now, once you have done that, just tap on your keyboard an arrow down and an arrow left. And now just simply go for text copy. And now just tap on your keyboard, Control Alt Shift T, and do it again, and do it again. And it will be depending on you on how many that you like. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.